HVAC people!
Alright, so I'm gonna try to run this last call before the storm come in. It just started sprinkling a little bit. I pushed them out to Friday, but it's an older couple, so hopefully I can get to them. Fix the problem right now. Only thing I did was look at the condenser unit. It looked horrible, like it ain't never had a maintenance done to it, as far as the condenser coil. Let's see here. But she said it's not doing anything, so I want to see if the furnace is blowing. Let's see. Alright, so I do hear the furnace.
Come on out.
Okay.
Right here.
Okay. So it does sound like it's blowing, it's just blowing hot.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Enough to work hot.
Okay, yeah, okay. So it's 91 degrees in here, huh?
Yes, exactly. That's just how hot it is.
Okay,
That's automatic, and the other side is to shut it off.
okay, all right.
No.
Also,
You want to shut it off?
no,
Right here.
let's leave it on right now. I'm gonna take a peek up here and make sure ain't nothing going on.
I haven't been up here in so long. I hope this going on.
Yeah.
Oh, gosh.
Oh wow, the furnace in the closet. Okay. I didn't make sure ain't no flow switch. All right.
Anything going on?
No, it don't look like it. I see it's in that closet.
Huh?
I see it's actually in the closet right here.
Oh, yeah.
Good, man. Coil right here. No, you fine. That's good. It's blowing. All right, so I'm gonna go outside. See if we can fix it.
Shut off this light here.
All right, so that fan is not running. You can see them coils though. Say the fan is not running. Fan not turning on. But yeah, you need a maintenance real bad out here. Let's see if we get the
vacuum and
no, we need to wash it with a
power wash?
yeah, water hose, garden hose.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, good. I can do that.
You want to do it?
I didn't know
I'll say
that you could.
you can do it, or you can pay me to do it.
You mean you gonna use my water hose to wash it down? What you gonna do with it other than what I can do, stand up here and wash it down?
Yeah, you probably, yeah, you can definitely do it. If I say you want to turn it off though, make sure ain't no power going, cause you see the coils right here.
Oh yeah.
You see how bad it is?
Those are really dirty.
Yeah, so you want to get
So how much
at
do
least
you
once or
charge
twice
to
a year.
wash it?
Well, I charge $95 for maintenance. Probably need it.
Right now I have to give you 60 right now.
Yeah.
95 more.
Yeah, yeah. Well, you can schedule another time, but you need to get it done. Cause a lot of time when them coils bad, they'll make something else go bad.
Do you have to take the front off to wash it, or you can just wash it?
You
the hole just
yeah,
like that?
yeah, you can wash it just like that. Let me see. Let me check this out before the rain come.
I don't think no more gonna come down.
But do you got a garden hose? Just bring it.
Yeah.
And I'll wash it for you. No, let me wash it for you real quick, cause it needs to be washed. All right, so we got 0 voltage. All right, so let me hurry up and try to check this cap right quick. Hope it's just a cap. So I'm just gonna take the one off the fan. Just take it off the fan. So we're checking microfarads. So it's the common right here. All right. So I got one. Yeah, she want to come on down, don't?
Oh yeah, and I didn't think it would anymore. But
I'm
crazy, just
yeah,
never know. It's all stuck.
yeah. Got that storm coming.
I told my husband, we start to work out here. We don't know to put things back to where it should.
Well, you.
When you're ready, just let me know. I'll turn the water off.
Okay. Like I say, I'm gonna try to get to it. If it rains too bad,
Yeah.
we're gonna have to come back and do it.
Okay.
I want to at least try to get it up and running though.
Yeah, that would be very.
What size is this?
Oh, it feels good.
Can you go turn that unit off for me? Yes, the thermostat. I don't want to blow no fuse. That's a 60 by 5. Let's see what we got here. So I need a 60 by 5. As soon as I got here, it wanted to rain. I said I was gonna call it a day by 2 o'clock. That's a 60 by 5 right here. And it's 220, 220. That last job I was at, it took me a minute. Still need to go drop that unit off. All right, gotta get it done, don't it? Yes, sir. Make it a All right, so we're gonna go with the brown with the fan. Yellow is the Herm. Purple and red is the common. All right. Here I got a little wet. Hope that ain't nobody snot right. All right, go turn it back on. I don't know what's going on right here. Oh. Having gutter issue. Hope that fan turn on. I have to put a new one on there. Yes, ma'am. You can turn it back on for me? There we go. Now I turned it on. Should be good to go. What's that?
Well, I think the rain was just stirring the heat up, but I wouldn't know. I ain't trying it very hard, so. Oh, let me go get it.
Yeah. thing off. All right, that should be a wrap there. Some kind of thing on pressure. Mosquitoes coming out. All right, so we good on the refrigerant. This is R22. Yeah, because it's kind of warm up in there, so it looks like I'm at about 80 something PSI. Yeah, R22. Suction pressure, so I'm sure on a hot day with them coils the way they was, air pressure probably high. So I'll try to maybe get it next year around the springtime to do a full maintenance on it. All I can do is watch the coils for it. All right, let me wrap it up, go talk to the homeowner.